Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode of Physics at Home. Today we're going to do an activity that allows us to tie our knowledge of heat with our knowledge of energy and power, and then bring some efficiency into it as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to need two pieces of equipment. One is something to hold water, so whether that's a pot, a kettle, maybe a glass bowl that you can put in the microwave, and then the second one is something that can heat up the water. So whether you do water in your kettle, water in your pot, on top of the stove, or you can put a bowl in the microwave. Those are kind of three key areas that you could easily do heating water in. So essentially what we're going to do today is look at heating 1 liter of water. So 1 liter is about 4 cups. So if you don't have a liter measurement, you can do cups. Nice thing about kettles is that a lot of times that they've got a 1 liter marker right on it, so it's easy to fill it up. So first step is to get your 1 liter of water and fill your pot or your kettle or your bowl, and then leave that out on your counter for about an hour. The reason why we do this is because then you'll have your water kind of equalized to room temperature, and then you know what the initial temperature starting is, because you can just take a look at your thermostat and see how hot it is in your house that day. So we have our initial temperature of water. We'll then boil it, and then that will take us to a final temperature, not at 100 degrees, probably closer to 97, 98. So if you've ever done any of those heat curve labs, then you may recognize that at 100 degrees, yes, we're boiling, but actually we're primarily steam and no longer water. So when you get that really aggressive boil in your water, you're actually probably closer to 97, 98 degrees. So it would probably be smarter to use one of those numbers instead for our final temperature. You can look up your specific heat capacity of water, and then knowing that we used 1 liter, 1 milliliter is 1 gram, so 1 liter is going to give us 1 kilogram of water. So we've got mass, specific heat, and change in temperature. We know how much heat went into boiling our water. On the way out, we can find our power. So if you look at your devices, so for example, my microwave here, they'll always have a sticker which gives you your power rating. So for example, this one has a power rating of 950 watts. So I know my power of my microwave. That means that if I ran my microwave for say 10 seconds, then if I have my time, 10 seconds, and my power, 950 watts, that means in that 10 seconds, I provided 9,500 joules of energy. So we can use power to figure out how much energy went into boiling that water by timing it. So we have our energy in, we have our energy out, and we can compare the two to figure out energy losses, efficiency, and all that other kind of fun stuff. So I'll link the activity down below and have some fun doing physics at home.